Hi, we are NXT, and you're watching JM Entertainment Exclusives.
Hi, I am NXT Kyo.
Hi, and I am NXT Zaran.
Hello, I'm NXT J.
Hi, I'm NXT Del.
Hello, it's NXT Harvey.
Hey guys, it's NXT 10.
Hello everyone, it's NXT David, and together we are
NXT.
Actually po, the background of our group, NXT, is very interesting kasi we came from a lot of different backgrounds, but at the same time, we have the same dreams din po onto coming like here, like becoming a P-pop group. And especially, this might be the second chance po. Pero I know the fire is still here, the dream is still here, and yeah. I'm very happy that we are here. We're very happy that we're currently in Arcana, and I think for our future, I think our future is bright. Kaya we are NXT. Yes, talaga.
As of now, we are only promoting our social media and our official social media as an NXT group and Arcana Studio as well, and that's all.
So we'll have to play a game. It's a quick game. Who's who? Okay. So may tatanungin ako sa inyo, then you just have to answer sino. Okay? Are you guys ready?
Yes.
So first, sino ang laging gutom?
Parang ako.
Depende, pero ano.
Pero specifically,
Pero ito lagi.
Very specifically.
Parang ito lagi.
Over. 1, 2, 3,
2, 3, go.
Wala masabi. Totoo na.
Totoo naman, totoo.
Alright. Sino ang laging late or mahirap gisingin?
Ayan.
Sa
late. Parang bukod sa late and mahirap gisingin eh. Doon tayo sa late.
Late.
Late muna.
1, 2, 3, go. Ay, tatlo. Ay, tatlo. Sa laging mahirap gisingin.
Sa mahirap
Sa mahirap
gisingin.
1, 2, 3, go.
Ayun talaga.
Yan.
Nanalo.
Ako!
Okay. So sino ang antukoy?
Parang lahat.
Parang
walang natutulog.
Wala na natutulog.
Parang walang natutulog. Para sa pangarap. Yes.
Para sa pangalan.
So, sino ang either nonchalant or super cool? Sino ang nonchalant sa
Feeling
inyo?
ko-
Feeling mo nonchalant.
Ako na yan. Kayo lahat.
Sino
Parang
nonchalant?
Parang lahat
Ikaw
nonchalant.
Parang ito, pinaka.
Pinaka-nonchalant.
Pinaka-nonchalant.
Wow!
Parang hindi.
Sumunod.
Parang hindi ako naniniwala.
Hindi, nonchalant talaga.
Ito
Si
ang
Bibi
pinaka-nonchalant
Jairo.
po, si Abunjing namin.
At sino ang pinaka-OA? Super OA.
Feeling ko.
Dalawa sila eh.
Dalawa sila eh. Magkatabi sila.
Dalawang masimuno.
Peter.
Yes, sit down and Jay.
So, sino ang pinaka-pasawa?
Wala pa naman.
Wala pa.
So far, wala pa naman.
Very good game.
Kakayaan.
So, sino ang laging nalilibre?
Wala pa. Wala pa.
Yes, our manager.
Sure na.
And finally, sino ang pinaka-cute at ko?
Parang lahat.
Kailangan ba i-flex po?
Lahat.
Hindi na kailangan banggitin.
Ito, para nakaayos lang muna.
Nakaayos lang namin na upito.
Wala, kakagising lang.
Just woke up.
Just woke up lang namin.
Yes.
Yes, hello everyone. You can follow us on all social media platform. Just search NXT_official, and you can also search our individual accounts, which you can only search NXT and then input those member that you wanted to search.
Yes.
And also we have a broadcast channel.
Yes.
You can join if gusto niyo malaman yung kakulitan
Sobrang
or
saya.
random
Yeah.
ng
Sobrang
bawat
fun.
member.
Updates naman.
See you guys sa mga future events.
Yes.
See you
To be
guys.
announced.
Yes.
To be announced on our social
Social
media.
media.
Follow na guys.
Follow nyo na.
Yes.
Once again, we are
NXT.
Thank you po.
Bye.
Bye.